class, this is Sister Dorman. The purpose of this video is just to give you an overview of how to navigate the course and some specific key items that I want you to focus on. Right here where it says announcements, every Monday I'm going to post an announcement, and these are important things that I need you to be aware of. So check the announcements every Monday, and sometimes during the week I will also post another announcement. Starting with right here on the left hand side, you'll see this inbox. The inbox is where I will send emails updating you about when I have graded items, also personal communication with you. So this is another important location for you to look at. Let's go ahead and talk about the calendar. The calendar, this is where you can see a weekly overview of what is due, and I strongly recommend looking at this every Monday and every day after that so you can be aware of when items are due. And I strongly recommend putting the assignments either in your phone or writing them down on the specific days that you plan on doing them, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. Let's go ahead and go back to our main course. Another thing that I suggest that right here in the next column where it says grades, you're going to want to look at your grades daily. While I don't input grades daily, it will give you an overview of what you need to do. So obviously you can see for week 1, I was a bad student and I didn't turn in these assignments. They're missing. So let's just look at week 2. We can see that there are four items that I need to be aware of when the dates are. This is just an additional support with the calendar, so you can see how much the points are worth and when they're due. So starting this week, you are going to get late. There's going to be a percentage added on for late assignments, so be aware of that starting this week. And so this is another great resource. Let's go home and get started on what is involved in for week 2. So week 2 right here, it lists all of the items that you have due this week. Okay, so this is how you specifically get to the assignments that are due. I'm not going to go over all of these. I'll leave that to you, but there are 2 main things that I want to introduce to you from this point and show you. So there are 3 main things that you're going to focus on this week. You're going to learn more about the BYU Idaho learning model, and I want you to take time to understand this model, because if you're planning on going further in your education at BYU Idaho, you will see that all BYU Idaho classes, no matter what you take, use this learning model. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to write your first paragraph about why you decided to take this pathway course. And then the next thing is you're going to be introduced to math basics. And so this leads me to talk about getting your week organized. As students who are returning to college, some of you may feel overwhelmed and not understanding how to organize your time. I strongly suggest setting up a weekly calendar, like I have shown you here. Either write it down on a piece of paper or use your phone. So, for example, you can see Monday, you read the announcements, then you're going to get prepared. You're going to get 2 spiral bound notebooks, one for math and one for English. Please do not skip this step. It will keep you organized. A big part of being a student is organizing your time and having a specific time each day that you're going to study. All right, the next thing that you're going to do is choose the best time that you want to study, whether it's in the morning or in the evening. For me, while I hate getting up in the mornings, I am fresher in the mornings, so if I were going back to school, that is when I would choose to do my schoolwork. Also, think of times that you can do that you have free time. So for example, I have another main job that I do during the day, and I have an hour I have an hour lunch period. And during that hour lunch period is when I would do schoolwork or even a half hour of study time. So look at your time and create a schedule that works best for you. So that ends this first video of how to organize your time and what is the best way to create a schedule. I'm going to have a second video discussing the writing assignment.